I'm Brittany Rivers and welcome to my channel. So today I'm coming at you all with a wig install from BGMgirl Hair. This company reached out to me and wanted me to try their wig, so they did send me this 26-inch 4x6 closure Mongolian wig. Okay, so like y'all see the material, y'all see that curl pattern is giving, you guys, it is giving. But in this video, I'm going to install this wig for you all and style it. So I hope you all enjoy it. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and let's get into this video. Okay guys, so here is the hair. It's this 26-inch curly wig. So it is a closure wig, so it's a 4x6 and it's 180% density, but this hair is super duper thick, and you see it is like thick all the way to the ends, which I do love. Like, you can't go wrong with that. So I'm going to go ahead and install this wig. I did already bleach the knots. I plucked the hairline a little bit. It really didn't need to be plucked at all, but I just like to do a little extra because my natural hairline is thinner, so I wanted the hairline to be a little thinner, so that's why I did that. This is some super thin lace. So here's the inside of the wig. It does come with like an elastic band here, and it's adjustable, so it does have like that thing like certain shirts and bras have, the little adjustable strap. There's no combs on the inside, and I always take out my combs anyway because I don't like it pulling out my real hair, because I don't use a wig cap or anything. And here's the box. It did come with a few, you know, goodies. You know, they like to send stuff. Okay, so it does come with an HD wig cap and then a regular wig cap. So I can definitely see the difference now. Like, this one is a lot thinner. Let's go ahead and put this wig on. So I'm going to cut off this excess lace. It's not too much extra lace, but it's a little something. And you know, I don't want too much extra lace. So I'm going to take this eyebrow razor and just kind of cut this extra lace off in the front. And I'm just going to be using a lace spray to glue this wig down, just because, you know, it's a closure wig and these are just so easy and fast to install that I'm just not gonna actually use lace glue because this is just way faster. I just sprayed one layer of lace spray, and then I'm going to go in with my blow dryer and blow dry this. I'm gonna do 3 layers, you guys. So let's do another one. And you see I'm kind of just guiding it with my finger, guiding the spray so it doesn't fall into my face since I already did my makeup. Second time. It's already pretty sticky, but we're gonna do one more layer before we actually put the lace on the glue. Okay, we are going to go ahead and put this wig down where I want it, like right there. That looks pretty good. That looks good. Yeah, that's a good spot. Let's make sure it's all laid and not folded under is the big thing. You don't want your lace to be folded under. So I'm just gonna touch up this little spot where it's coming up a little bit right here. Touch this up a little bit. The actual install took less than 5 minutes. So now we are going to style this thing a little bit. I think since last time I did a side part, I want to do a middle part this time. That might be fun. Yeah, I think that'll be cute. That'll be cute. Okay, I'm gonna pluck this part a little bit to make it a little more apparent. Make it a little straighter. So I'm gonna go in with a little water to kind of bring the curl pattern back, because I've been playing with it a little bit and I kind of fluffed out the curls. So let's bring that curl pattern back to the hair. I don't know, this kind of looks like my real hair right now. You know what, let's add a little baby hair to the side because I love some good baby hair. I'm glad there is enough lace to do some baby hair too. I'm glad there is enough lace here to do a cute little baby hair swoop on the temples. And I'm gonna use a little edge control to swoop these edges on the edge brush, make it give. It's giving. Okay. Yeah, it's giving. It's giving, all right. Let me get that piece of hair. Okay, yeah. Now the other side. Okay, cute. Okay, this really looks like my real hair. It's kind of giving like vacation beach vibes. Like, it really looks like this could be my real hair. I do like that. Let me hit it with the hot comb a little bit to make it just give. Okay, that's kind of cute. It's kind of eating, you guys. It really is eating. Okay. Add a little more water in the hair to just kind of bring all of those curls back. And yeah, this is a nice length. Like, this looks realistic. I know sometimes I get my hair really long, but like just a nice little shorter curly length. Like, it looks like, okay, yeah, this could be my hair. This really does look like mine. So I was going to like pin this hair up a little bit and do like a whole style, but you know, I'm kind of liking the hair like this. Like, it looks cute. It looks like this is how I will wear my hair to like the beach or something, like to the pool. Like, it looks giving realness, which I do enjoy. Occasionally, I do like that. Once again, it is from BGM, Black Girl Magic. I'm going to link the hair in the description box. I hope you all enjoyed this video. Remember to like, comment, subscribe. Follow me on Instagram at Madam Brittany, and thank you all so much for watching. Have a great day, you guys. Bye.